Good evening. As a part of the preparation for IAS 2021 preliminary examination, we have launched the batch on May 25th, 2020. And we started our classes with the current affairs. And after that, from June 1st onwards, we started a subject called Indian Economy. Currently, Indian economy classes are going on very well, and the syllabus is going to be completed by the end of this month. And whatever the topics that have been promised, every topic is being discussed in detail. In-depth analysis is being provided to the aspirants as far as this batch is concerned. In the similar manner, another subject is going to be started from July 5th, 2020 onwards. And that subject is environment and disaster management. And that particular subject is going to take almost a month, and by the end of this July we are going to finish up environment and disaster management. So look at this, how we are preparing. We started our journey with the current affairs, and the current affairs will continue till you finish your preliminary examination. And along with the current affairs, we also started Indian economy, and that is going to be done by the end of this month. So that what will happen, whatever the economy you are learning, in future also that will be continued, meaning updates will be provided in the form of current affairs. Similarly, the next topic, that is environment and disaster management, everything is going to be discussed in detail. In-depth study, in-depth analysis is going to be provided to you. And after the end of the classes, study material will also be provided to you. Question bank will also be provided to you. All the facilities will be provided to you. You just need to join the classes, watch our classes, read our material, practice our questions, and that will be enough as far as the preliminary examination is concerned. Regarding that, I would like to show you the information. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this. This is a part of IAS 2021 preliminary examination. Subject name is environment and disaster management. Clear. And this course is being dealt only in English. Fee is 5,900 rupees including GST, very reasonable. And the admissions are open now, and you can join at any point of time. But please make a note, from July 1st onwards, the fee is going to be hiked to 6,500 rupees. And classes will commence from July 5th, 2020. And starting from July 5th, after 6 o'clock in the evening, you can watch the classes. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. The numbers are given over there. Please take a pic of this particular page so that you will have complete information with you. Please take a pic. You can see my mobile number, you can see my WhatsApp number, you can see my mail ID. Once the payment is done, please send your details like a screenshot of the payment, your name, your mobile number, your mail ID, name of the course and medium. Medium is not required here because this is English medium only. So obviously it should be, this English medium. So you need not mention that. And last but not least, I want you to join at the earliest to avail the discount. Meaning, if you join before June 30th, night 11:30, before that, if you can join, you will be paying only a very reasonable amount of 5,900. From July 1st onwards, the fee is going to be 6,500. So please take a quick decision and join at the earliest. And anybody who wants to look at the syllabus, please open our site www.onlineias.com. In the menu bar, please go towards IAS 2021. So this is the current affairs batch. If anybody is still interested to join current affairs, you may please join. Current affairs is going to play a very crucial role with respect to the IAS preliminary examination. Admissions are open. Once you join, you will get all the classes from May 25th onwards. Clear. And the classes will continue till you finish your preliminary examination in 2021. And the students who want to join for this environment and disaster management, please click on this prelims. Kindly see here, you go to IAS 2021. In the drop down, please select prelims, click on the prelims. You will be taken to the next page where you can see the various subjects here. Right? Indian economy is already launched from June 1st onwards. Classes are going on very successfully without any break. Everything is very perfect. And economy classes are being taught by me. Okay? So look at this, my name. And similarly, environment and disaster management is also going to be taught by me. I am going to take up environment and disaster management for this particular batch. Clear? Look at this. So the students who want to join, you can please click on the syllabus here. You can see the syllabus of both environment and disaster management. Whatever the topics that are given in the syllabus, every topic is going to be dealt in detail. And whoever wants to pay the money through site, you can click here and you can pay the money. Or you can go for scan and pay. QR code is given here. You can scan and pay. And the fees is 6,500. But up to June 30th, you can pay 5,900 rupees. Am I clear? And this is the information, complete information with respect to environment and disaster management. I repeat once again, current affairs batch already been started. Economy batch was started on prelims. Economy batch was started on June 1st. That is going to come to an end by June 30th. And environment and disaster management is going to be started from July 5th onwards. After that we are going to start science and technology. After that we are going to start Indian constitution and governance. And after that we are going to start two subjects simultaneously, geography and Indian history. Clear? And for Indian history and geography, I am inviting other members. Rest of the subjects for preliminary are going to be taken by me. Complete current affairs by me, complete economy by me, complete environment and disaster management by me, complete science and technology by me, and constitution and governance by me. Clear? Fine. And whatever the questions that we are going to give you for every subject, questions are going to be prepared by me directly. And those questions will be given to you for the purpose of practice. Clear? So be assured, and whatever the time we are promising, the classes are going to be completed very effectively. Clear? And you can watch the classes after 6 o'clock in the evening. Classes will be held every day. Every topic will be dealt in depth. Clear? This is what is happening for current affairs. Current affairs are held every alternate days, like Monday, Wednesday and Friday. But Indian economy is being handled on day-to-day basis. Every day the classes are going on. And the students who joined, they are watching the classes after 6 o'clock in the evening. By 6, the classes will be ready. Similarly, environment and disaster management classes will also be ready by 6 o'clock in the evening from July 5th onwards. So don't delay, take a quick decision and join as early as possible. And I wish you all a very good luck. Thank you so much.